Hi friends, once again welcome back to Roji Share Tips. In today's video, we are going to do the share analysis of Muthoot Finance. The reason why we are doing the share analysis right now is this company has registered very good growth in the recent years and expected to grow exponentially in the upcoming years. The business model is financial services and it has a very good growth potential. The current market cap is around 67,878 crores, showing that it is a large cap stock, which means company is firmly established in the market. It is also a promising NBFC, that is non-banking financial corporation in India. Current market price is around 1670, which is very near to its all-time high of 1720, came in this month itself. Book value is 417, which is 24.65% of the share price. And it is an FNO activated stock, which means trading is happening in very large volumes. The face value of the stock is around 10 rupees, showing that a stock split is possible in another 2 years. Dividend yield is 1.18, which means you will get 118 rupees returns per year for every 10,000 rupees invested. If you look at the bonus history, the company hasn't issued any bonuses yet, which means getting a bonus share is very rare or almost impossible. Now, if you look at the 12-month returns, you can see 44.79%, which is very good. 5-year returns 459.90%, which is also very good. And if you look at the maximum returns, that is 10 years, is showing around 860%, which is also fair. If you look at the inventory turnover, that will be outstanding 45.8 and the pledge percentage 0.00, showing that company hasn't pledged any of its shares. Earnings per share is around 94.8, which is considered as very high because it covers 5.5% of the stock price. ROE is 27.8, ROCE is 15.6 and ROA 6.19, which is looking very good. Debt to equity is 3.18 and debt to profit is 14.0, which is looking not good. But for banking companies, these figures usually comes higher and it is quite normal. So in that case, it is just okay. Promoter holding is 73.37, which is very high, showing that promoter has very high confidence in the company. DII and FII has 8.26 and 14.16% investments, which means the company is still attractive for investors. Stock PE is around 17.0 against an industry average of 22, showing that company is still undervalued. Consistent and steadily growing profit in last 10 years, showing that your investments in this company is absolutely safe. Reserves to the company is 9276 crores, which was increased from the previous year figure of 7477, showing that company has sufficient reserves to handle any kind of economic shocks. Cash flow is positive, but the debt is growing, which is generally considered as okay, mainly because for all financial companies, they need to borrow money from RBI, and that is the reason why the debt. Chairman and director is Mr. George Jacob Muthoot, who is age 69. He got a bachelor degree in science from Manipal University. He is a billionaire number 2263 in 2021 on Forbes list. He got 43-year plus experience in banking and finance sector. And the managing director of the company is Mr. George Alexander Muthoot, who is age 66 and is a chartered accountant by profession. He got a BCom from the Kerala University with gold medal. And he also has 40-year plus experience in the banking industry. Overall, the company is managed by highly experienced and qualified professionals. Muthoot Finance at a glance is available in annual report PDF page 12, and the Muthoot map whole India is available in annual report PDF page 17. The company has 4,600 plus branches all over India. As per the annual report, company has 7 subsidiaries. Information available in annual report PDF page 58. Organization is headquartered in Cochin, Kerala. Remuneration paid to the directors, which is 12 members, is 81 crores. Annual report PDF page 91. That is 2.1% of the profit is taken as director's salary, which is okay. In annual report PDF page 13, you can see Muthoot Finance at a glance. Presence is available in 29 states or union territories. 171 tons of gold kept as security. 4632 branches in India. Team members 25,000, and you can see 200,000 customers served per day. And you can also see the key subsidiaries of the company here: Muthoot Home Fin, Muthoot Money, Muthoot Insurance Brokers, etc. And in page number 91, you can see the salary details of all directors. And in page number 17, you can see the company's map all over India. You can see Kerala has 565 branches, Tamil Nadu has 972, Karnataka has 519, and in northeast if you go Assam 33, and somewhere here in Meghalaya I guess 4, and here Jammu and Kashmir 16, and in the Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar they have 6 branches. Now if you go to PDF page number 58, you can see subsidiaries. As on 31st March, the company has 7 subsidiaries, namely Asia Asset Finance PLC, Muthoot Home Fin Limited, Muthoot Insurance Brokers Private Limited, Bellstar Microfinance Limited, Muthoot Money Limited, Muthoot Asset Management, and Muthoot Trustee Private Limited. Company is founded in the year 1939, showing 82 years of existence. Company's roots are traceable even from 1887 in Kerala. If you look at the recent financial performance, you can see Q2 2021 showing a net profit of 1002 crores. Now the previous quarter Q1 2021 showing a net profit of 978 crores. Now if you compare to the previous year same quarter Q2 2020, net profit was only 926 crores, which means quarter on quarter there is an improvement of 2.6% and year on year there is an improvement of 8.20%. This year dividend of 20 rupees has already been issued on 22nd April 2022. No more dividends possible this year. So going to the technical analysis part, you can see 200 exponential moving average line is clearly below the price line, showing that chart is clearly bullish. And if you look at the 48 and 13 exponential moving average, you can see a positive crossover showing that the price is again firmly bullish. Now if you look at the MACD is also very positive and it is going firmly bullish. But a small flatness came here, but still it is bullish. Now if you look at stochastics is also bullish, but the problem here is it is already in the overbought zone 92.30, so a small correction possible. Now if you look at RSI is in neutral zone, however it is not far away from a strong zone. So what I understand from the technical indicators is the price is heavily bullish, but it is about to go for a short term correction, probably in a 14 days correction consolidation phase. After that it will continue to rise again. Same thing is mentioned here as well. 200 exponential moving average is bullish, 13 and 48 EMA is also bullish. Current price is somewhat okay from medium and long term perspective. MACD is positive and it is almost strongly bullish. Share may go for a correction, but it will continue the bullish rally sooner or later. Stochastics is neutral and in the overbought zone. RSI index is neutral but near the overbought zone. Based on the technical indicators, price is strongly bullish, but a minor correction and consolidation is awaited. 55% it is bullish, 15% bearish, 25% neutral. Now follow buy on dip strategy for long term. Support can be found at 1620, 1570, 1520 and 1480 levels. Any price around or below 1600 will be fair entry. Opportunities only for long and medium term. Between 1480 and 1500 will be much better entry. Minimum and maximum long term portfolio allocation is 1% and 3% respectively. Buy 1 quantity to 2 quantity for a portfolio size of 1 lakh. Immediate target is not applicable. Medium term target is 1800. Long term target is 2000 to 2200. If you found our video really useful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.